Today, we will talk about best freelance jobs for beginners in 2025. Starting a freelance career in 2025 can be an exciting and lucrative endeavor, especially as the demand for online services continues to grow. Whether you're looking to pursue freelance work part-time or full-time, there are plenty of opportunities to explore that don't require prior experience or a large investment of time and money. Here's a comprehensive guide to the best freelance jobs for beginners in 2025, along with some tips on how to get started. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible and popular freelance careers, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Whether you're interested in writing blogs, copywriting, or even product descriptions, there's always a demand for content creation. Many websites, businesses, and blogs need fresh content to attract visitors and maintain engagement. To get started, build a portfolio that showcases your writing skills. You can create a simple blog or use platforms like Medium to start publishing content. Freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger offer a wide range of writing jobs for beginners. Over time, as you build experience, you can charge higher rates. 2. Social media management. With businesses and brands focusing heavily on their online presence, social media management has become a highly sought-after skill. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for freelance social media managers to help them create content, manage accounts, and interact with followers. If you're familiar with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, this could be a perfect fit for you. You don't need advanced experience, just a good understanding of social media trends and content creation. To get started, offer your services to small businesses, nonprofits, or even individuals looking to grow their personal brand. You can also join freelance platforms or advertise your services on social media. 3. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, VAs, are in high demand, especially for small business owners and entrepreneurs who need help managing their administrative tasks. As a virtual assistant, you might be responsible for handling emails, scheduling meetings, managing social media accounts, bookkeeping, and performing general office tasks. Starting as a VA typically requires organizational skills, a basic understanding of office software, and good communication abilities. There are many online courses available to help you sharpen your VA skills. Websites like Upwork and Belay are great places to find virtual assistant jobs. 4. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design, graphic design can be a rewarding freelance career. Businesses, bloggers, and marketers frequently need graphics for their websites, social media, advertising, and promotional materials. While advanced graphic design skills can take time to develop, beginners can start by learning basic tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or Trello. If you're looking to build your skills, there are numerous free and paid resources online to help you learn design fundamentals. Freelance platforms and marketplaces like Fiverr and 99 Designs offer design gigs for beginners, and you can gradually build a portfolio that will allow you to charge more for your work. 5. Data entry. Data entry is another great freelance job for beginners who want to start earning money online without specialized skills. Data entry involves tasks like inputting information into spreadsheets, databases, or CRM systems, often for administrative purposes. While data entry might not be as lucrative as other freelancing careers, it's relatively easy to get started, and it offers flexibility in terms of hours. You can find data entry jobs on freelance sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and FlexJobs. 6. Transcription. If you have good listening and typing skills, transcription can be an ideal freelance job for beginners. Transcription work involves listening to audio files and converting them into written text. This can include transcription for podcasts, videos, or interviews. There are two main types of transcription: general and specialized, like medical or legal transcription. Beginners can start with general transcription, which doesn't require much technical knowledge. Websites like Rev, Transcribium, and Scribby are great platforms to begin your transcription journey. 7. Translation services. If you're bilingual or multilingual, translation can be a highly profitable freelance career. Translation work involves converting text or spoken words from one language to another. You can find freelance translation jobs on platforms like Jingo, 1 Hour Translation, and Pros. While more specialized translation, like legal or medical, may require additional expertise, beginners can start by translating documents, websites, or apps in common languages. The more languages you're fluent in, the greater the demand for your services. 8. Website testing. Website testing is a great way to make money as a beginner. Companies need user feedback to make their websites more user-friendly. As a website tester, you'll typically visit websites, navigate them, and provide feedback on things like design, functionality, and ease of use. You don't need a lot of experience to get started with website testing. There are platforms like User Testing, Testbirds, and Webusers that connect testers with companies seeking feedback. The pay varies depending on the test, but can be a great side hustle if you have spare time. 9. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money as an online tutor or teacher. Whether it's helping students with their homework, teaching English as a second language, or offering lessons in math, science, or music, there's a growing demand for online educators. For beginners, platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors provide an excellent opportunity to start teaching. You can also use OutSchool to teach subjects you're passionate about, or even offer one-on-one tutoring sessions via Zoom. 10. Customer Service Representative. Many companies outsource their customer service to freelancers. As a freelance customer service representative, you would handle inquiries from customers, solve issues, and provide support through live chat, email, or phone calls. To start, you don't need specialized experience, though strong communication skills and a customer-friendly attitude are essential. Many companies offer remote customer service positions, and you can find them on job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, or We Work Remotely. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.